Hi, my friends. Happy Wednesday. So, I love doing these, and I was thinking about my day, and my day is super crazy. And so I thought, well, I want to do one of these now while I have a chance. And we're going to do one we've not done before, which is cleaning, which is not super sexy at all. But again, we want to reduce those toxins and chemicals around us, and using essential oils long term will be cheaper, and it's less toxins and chemicals that are floating around your house. So, of course, doTERRA, gift of the earth. We like doTERRA because what is in the bottle is exactly what's in the bottle, nothing else. Which again, if you're trying to get rid of toxins and chemicals, getting what you pay for and nothing else is really importante. And you can check your bottle, go to the website, check your bottle to verify by a third party company. Everything is what it is. So, and obviously for this point, I mean, you do use your essential oils aromatically, topically, or internally, but obviously for cleaning, we're not talking about cleaning our body, we're talking about cleaning our house and what we can use to clean our house. So of course the first one is going to be the On Guard. On Guard is the immunity builder essential oil, and so this is going to be great for cleaning, right? And if you go to the product guide, if you go to the product guide, which I now have pinned to the top of my website, you can see that on page 40, 41, and 42, it lists all of the On Guard products to include the cleaning products. Right here. I love to use the cleaner concentrate, this guy right here, and I have this big ginormous water bottle, spray bottle, and I will fill it up all the way with water and then just put like a cap full of the cleaner concentrate into that big ginormous bottle. Lasts forever. So that's why when I say that I do love the hand spray, the On Guard hand spray that fits into like your purse or your backpack or whatever, your gym bag. I love that. But for my teacher friends who are cleaning lots of desks, I would invest in this. Just because the hand spray is more for hand spray. So the On Guard, it's going to kill germs and airborne pathogens. So this is really good to have in your diffuser if there's any chance of illness floating around. Put this in your diffuser. It's an antiseptic and laundry cleaner, and they do have a laundry detergent that we use. It's antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. So wonderful. The next cleaning oil, of course, is lemon, which is in my kitchen. And lemon you can just use in any variety of ways. You can put it also in a spray bottle and use it. You can put a bowl of water and lemon and put it in your microwave for however long, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and that help will get all the junk out of your microwave. And there's just a variety of ways in which you can use that. And I'm going to give you some examples. So that one is also antifungal, antimicrobial, and a disinfectant. It's a sticker and goo remover, which I have a great recipe for that. And it's a degreaser and furniture polish, which I can tell you. Now, the one that I have not talked about before, which I do love, is this Purify. So I used to put this by my kitty litter boxes because obviously it helps kill the kitty litter, and it's got like a pure smell. Like it just doesn't really even have much of a smell. Love it. So this is the cleansing blend. So it kills germs and microbes, air and odor cleaning, and surface cleaner. So if you're wanting to try something a little different, because the On Guard does have like a cinnamon smell to it, and then lemon of course smells like lemon, and then this Purify, I love it. Love it. So also want you to know that glass containers hold the oils better than plastic. So just do keep that in mind. So you maybe want to invest in some glass spray bottles and cleansing bottles and things like that. And we've talked about that before because when we are drinking our essential oils, we want to use a glass or metal water bottle and not plastic. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so On Guard, lemon, and Purify. Now, if you want to, and the benefits of using homemade cleaners is it's safe for kids and pets. So again, it would be only the essential oils and then like the some additional products like water or oils. So we know it's safe for kids and pets. It's effective cleaning properties, toxin-free, affordable, and natural ingredients. So, you know, we don't live in a bubble. So we can only control so much of the chemicals and toxins that come in our life. And so using essential oils for cleaning definitely helps reduce that. Also, I need to repost this. I found this cleaning guide, essential oils for cleaning, which I wanted to share with you. Wild orange, which is just wonderful. All the citruses are going to be great, not only for cleaning, but for cleaning your body too. This is a powerful cleaner and works great for kitchen cleaning. So you could certainly put this in the spray bottle instead of lemon and do some cleaning. Lemon, of course, is great all-purpose surface cleaner or furniture polish, which I'm going to tell you in just a minute. Lime, again, this has been my new favorite thing to drink, but you can certainly put lime in the spray bottle. It's good to remove grease spots or stickers or diffuse with the air. I love the citruses. It makes me happy. Lavender. So lavender is great, you know, because it's our soothing oil, but this is great if you want to clean your linens. So you can spray your linens with lavender or the car, you know, if any place that you want to kind of have a soothing environment, like your kids' room, your bedroom, anything like that. Again, a little water and essential oils and spray, spray, spray. Grapefruit, the citrus, again, it's a great all-purpose spray for the kitchen, bathroom to clean and purify. Grapefruit, it's good to drink. We have tangerine, which I just did a little post about tangerine and some of the wonderful benefits. Tangerine is also a good, they recommend it for your toilet spray. Who would have known? And this is super light. How funny, you can drink it and then put it as a toilet spray. That'd be kind of funny. I don't know if I'd want to do that. Again, the Purify, love, love, love. Suggestion is to apply it in a cotton ball and store it in your air vents. That seems like a lovely idea. I have suggested that with On Guard, like when you're traveling and you want to kill some of them germies, you can certainly do that as well. Put a couple drops on a cotton ball, put in your air vents to help kill. Same with Purify. Melaleuca, which my bottle is in my kitchen. That's a great surface cleaner to protect against environmental threats. And then we have eucalyptus, which is also a surface cleaner or to diffuse to purify the air. Eucalyptus reminds me of spas. So we have lots and lots of great examples for oils to use instead of cleaning products, which initially you may think, well, that's more expensive to buy essential oils, but you need to remember that there's in these 15 milliliter bottles, there's 250 drops of oil. So a little bit goes a long way. So just kind of think about, you know, when you go to a grocery store and you buy one of the cleaning products, you know, yes, it may be cheaper, but this is going to last you longer, which therefore makes it less expensive. Okay, so wood cleaner and polish. The recommendation is 1 cup of olive oil, a half cup of water, 30 drops of lemon, and lemon's like the least expensive oil, and then 10 drops of orange. And you combine ingredients in a spray bottle and shake well, and then spray or pour on the microfiber cloth and clean. Okay, so wood cleaner basically is the olive oil, water, lemon, and orange. A disinfecting toilet bowl cleaner, which if you're like me and you have a dog who likes to drink out of a toilet bowl, this is probably more beneficial and safer for you than getting some of the commercial made ones. But it'd be a half cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 10 drops of melaleuca, mix ingredients together until dissolve the baking soda, add to toilet. So much, much safer. Sticker and glue gun. Now I just use straight, I was using lemon onto a cotton ball And I wish I had thought about this, because this would have saved me some more of my lemons, because this is 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, and 2 drops of lemon, where you then mix it together and apply it to the sticker and label, and then let it rest. So that probably would have been way more effective. Window or mirror cleaner, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, and then 5 drops of peppermint. And mix it, put it into a bottle, and you spray away. Carpet stain removal, 4 cups of warm water, half teaspoon Castile soap or dish soap, and 10 drops of lemon. And so you mix together. So that's what I have. If you have any questions about those specific recipes, let me know, and I will be happy to share that with you. As always, what I recommend doing is purchasing the Home Essentials Enrollment Kit, because then you would get you'd get the top 10 essential oils, 9 of them being in the 15 milliliters, and then only the deep blue would be in the 5 milliliters, and you'd get a diffuser. So you'd be able to replace your medicine cabinet with essential oils, replace your cleaning products with essential oils, be able to do all kinds of wonderful things with these essential oils for a small, small price. Also, with the enrollment kits, you get 25% off all additional product, because then you'd become a wholesale member. So that's what I have. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.